Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Here I have a Nokia 2690 in very horrible condition. These are not scratches, these are cracks. Unbelievably, the phone works. Well, yeah, it's a Nokia. What I like about this model is the name. Take the first and last digit and we have the model 69. Yeah, let's see how many duct towers. 325 only. Right. So let's begin. This should be an easy restoration. Like, really easy. Look at the battery cover. See? Well, trash. Now, I don't even know. Does it have a memory card installed? No, it does not. Wow. Wow, so cliche. Oh, almost forgot about the SIM card. Eek. Unbelievably, the screen is pretty clean. Only have 2 or 3 dust particles. Okay. Didn't expect that to happen. Seriously, is disintegrating? Or was it this cracked? Oh, come on, you two. Dang. It's falling apart. Come on, there shouldn't be any other screw here. I know I took them all out. There we go. Nothing much else to take from it. Made where? In India. Nice. Come on, you. Okay. The mainboard just needs to be cleaned. I mean, look at it. It's not that bad. This is a piece of plastic from where? I hope it was from that old body shell. This camera is so small, that's what she said. Well, the body shell did a pretty good job. It protected it from the elements. Okay, there's the microphone. Ugh. Okay, there's still a hole here. Don't look weird. First thing that I'm gonna do is take this serial number. Well, it was somewhat enough. I have here the new body shell on which I'm going to stick it. Wait a minute. It's not gluey anymore. Oh, come on, dude. Okay, then. Have to do this the manual way. Okay, too much glue. You can stop now. Shh. Okay, this was a bit too much glue. My bad. I'll let this set in. Get to clean in. Weak. Okay. I cannot see clearly if the camera lens are dirty or not, so I have to use my secret weapon. Let me check the camera. I'm also going to record this. Yeah, this is the camera lens. Oh my god. Don't seem to realize if it's dirty or not. Kinda weird to look at, honestly. Okay, this is better. The technology they must have had to make this so small. So let's put it back together. Should be an easy fix, easy job, you know. The microphone, the whole antenna and loudspeaker assembly, the charging port. Let me check it first. Yeah, I've tested the connector. It stays in place nice. So connecting the cable here. Putting this metal place when it's putting this metal plate in its place. Come on, you get the you. Okay. Okay. It looks kind of ugly, but yeah. That's how it shall remain. Okay. Here's the sticker over the buttons. And here is the finished phone. Okay, the camera is actually seeing pretty well. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, it works fine. So that's enough of this phone. Another one. I think it's my third one or fourth. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. And this is gonna sting. And I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourself. And all the best. Bye.